ICO Class 12 Problem Based Questions. X, Y, and Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3:2. They decide to share future profits in the ratio of 2:3:5 with effect from 1st April 2016. They also decide to record the effect of following revaluations without affecting the book values of assets and liabilities by passing single adjusting entry. The book figure and revised figure of assets and liabilities, land and building, plant and machinery, trade creditors, outstanding rent has been given here, and we have to calculate the necessary single adjusting entry. How we are going to calculate? Let us see. First, we have to calculate the sacrificing or gaining ratio. Calculation of sacrificing ratio or gaining ratio, which is nothing but old ratio minus new ratio. For X, the old ratio is 5/10 and new ratio is 2/10. So 5/10 minus 2/10 is equal to 3/10. Then for Y, the old ratio is 3/10 and the new ratio is also 3/10. So 3/10 minus 3/10 is equal to 0. For Y it is 0. For Z, old ratio is 2/10 and the new ratio is 5/10. So 2/10 minus 5/10 is equal to minus 3/10. Now let us calculate profit or loss on revaluation. Profit or loss on revaluation. Now, for calculating net profit or loss on revaluation, we have debit and credit here. In this problem, land and buildings is an asset. It has been increased by 1,50,000. So, increase in asset comes under credit. Increase in fixed asset, land and building by 1,50,000 comes under credit. Next, plant and machinery has been decreased by 30,000 from 4,50,000 to 4,20,000. So, decrease in fixed asset, that is plant and machinery, comes under debit. It has been decreased by 30,000. Now, the trade creditors is a liability and it has been decreased from 1,50,000 to 1,35,000. So, decrease in liability, that is trade creditors, comes under credit. It has been decreased by 15,000. Next, outstanding rent. Outstanding rent is also liability. It has been increased from 1,35,000 to 1,80,000. So, increase in outstanding rent, increase in liability comes under debit by 45,000. Now, we have total of 75,000 on debit side and total of 1,65,000 on credit side. So, while we find the difference, it comes as 90,000. This 90,000 should be distributed in this sacrificing or gaining ratio. For X, it is 90,000 into 3/10 is equal to rupees 27,000. For Y, it is 0. And for Z, is 90,000 into minus 3/10 is equal to minus 27,000. So, as per the journal entry, we have to debit X by 27,000 and credit Z by 27,000. So, the entry will be debit X and credit Z by 27,000.